creamy and delicious, and how to make sugar-free green smoothie, which is vegan and whole foods plant-based.
So I want to put the spinach on the bottom.
36 grams or
So this is 1 cup of spinach.
Organic, and this is pre-washed.
This is 2 frozen bananas.
The frozen bananas gives it the creaminess, and then we're going to do 3 dates. If you don't have a very powerful blender like an awesome Vitamix or something like that, link in the video description, then either soak them in water or try and find soft dates.
Okay.
They are our sweetener.
144 grams frozen blueberries,
This is 1 cup of almond milk.
240 grams,
Link in the video description to recipe on how to make almond milk. Earmuffs are important to protect your hearing. And we're going to turn this on, ramp it up, and then let it blend and then ramp it back down.
slowly to decrease cavitation or any oopsies.
Now, you can cap it and then stick the carafe.
Lid and tamper upside down so,
It'll hold your smoothie ingredients all there.
making it less messy and easier for you to eat healthy, which
Banana gives it lots of creaminess along with the almond milk and gets you lots of lutein in because you get your spinach.
to get
Lutein is very important.
for nervous system function.
And sometimes people feel it's hard to get their vegetables in, so a great way of getting them in is blending them.
And they're raw, so then you don't lose as many phytochemicals in it, but they're blended, so they're pre-masticated, so they're easier to digest and more bioavailable for some nutrients. Leave your comments down below. What is your favorite smoothie? Like it if you liked it.
I'll see you in this video.